I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
I will not help you bypass product activation. That's illegal and unsafe. Instead, start by signing in with a Microsoft account and choosing a legal path. If you want full desktop apps temporarily, select the Microsoft 365 free trial. If you need immediate access, open Office online in your browser. Once done, make sure your device meets basic requirements and you have a stable connection so downloads and sign-ins complete without interruption. Next, pick the route that best fits your needs. For temporary full features, start a Microsoft 365 trial from your account dashboard and follow the installer prompts. You'll sign in instead of entering a key. If you prefer instant, free access, open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint online in your browser and work with Cloud Autosave. Alternatively, download and install LibreOffice for robust offline editing. It reads and writes common Office formats, so you can keep working seamlessly. Finish by migrating or saving files to OneDrive so you retain access across devices and avoid license ties to one machine. If formatting changes appear, export as PDF or open with LibreOffice to adjust and then resave to preserve layout. Make sure autosave is enabled where available. If something goes wrong, sign out and back in, clear browser cache for Office Online, or reinstall the desktop apps. Those steps resolve most activation and sync hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.